Welcome to this tutorial on the Trie Data Structure. Today, we are going to explore one of the most efficient ways to handle strings and prefix-based searches. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly what a trie is and why it is so powerful. A trie, often pronounced as trie, is also known as a prefix tree. Unlike a standard binary tree where each node might hold a value, in a trie, the value is determined by the path you take. It is a hierarchical structure where each step down represents a character in a word. Let's look at the building blocks. A single trie node is quite simple. It primarily contains two things. First, a collection of children, which maps characters to the next nodes. Second, a Boolean flag called isEndOfWord. This flag is crucial because it tells us if the path we just traveled forms a complete, valid word. Here is how it looks in practice. Imagine we are storing the words cat, car, and do. Notice how cat and car share the same starting path C, then they only split at the third letter. This sharing of prefixes is what makes the trie so space-efficient for similar words. To insert a word, we start at the root. We look for the first character. If a path exists, we take it. If not, we create a new node. We repeat this for every character. Once we place the final character, we mark that specific node as the end of a word, sealing it into our dictionary. Searching follows the same path. If we want to find a word, we traverse the tree character by character. If we can follow the entire path and the final node is marked as an end of word, then the word exists. If the path is broken or the flag is missing, the word is not in our trie. This is the trie's superpower, the StartsWith operation. Unlike a hash map that looks for exact matches, a trie can tell you if any word in your database starts with a specific chunk of text. This is the exact logic behind the autocomplete feature you use every day. Let's talk performance. The time complexity for inserting or searching is big O of L, where L is the length of the word. It does not matter if you have 1 million words in your database. Looking up a 5-letter word only takes 5 steps. However, the space complexity can be high since we store many nodes. Where is this used? Everywhere. From the autocomplete on your phone and Google search to spell checkers in your word processor. It is also used in networking for IP routing. Anytime you need to match prefixes quickly, a trie is usually the answer. To wrap up, tries are specialized trees for strings. They break words down character by character. They offer incredibly fast lookups based on word length, making them the industry standard for autocomplete systems. While they can be memory-intensive, their speed benefits are often worth it.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.